Hi guys, what's up? It's Skyright5, back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Call of Duty Modern Warfare on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today. It's currently the day before Black Friday 2019 here in the UK. So yeah, I picked this up for $39.99, and to be honest, it isn't going to go any lower than that. So it's pretty much the lowest price here in the UK, so that's cool. So yeah, there's the front, and obviously as you can see, there's Captain Price on there. So there's the side, and there's the back. The best-selling first-person shooter series on Xbox One, campaign, multiplayer, spec ops. It is Xbox One X enhanced, 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, Dolby Atmos, and then all your co-op and all that stuff. And the install size is an eye-watering 150 gig. So yay. And then inside we have the disc, and that's about it. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Call of Duty Modern Warfare on the Xbox One. Guys, if you like this, please do sure to check out my other videos. But for now guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.